Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Farmville 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now if you wish to install the Farmville 2 game on your PC, then first of all open up the Microsoft Store on your device and make sure that you are logged in to your Microsoft Store account. After logging in using your credentials, you will see the search box. Just type in Farmville 2 and start your search, and you will see the Farmville 2 Country Escapes game. You can click on this and you will see the Get button. Click on the Get button and this will begin the download and installation of the Farmville 2 Country Escapes game on your PC. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will be able to find the game icon within your search bar and enjoy the game. Once you open up the game, you can proceed with logging in to your existing account or signing up to create a new one in order to start enjoying the Farmville 2 game on your PC. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Farmville 2 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.